Honey and ginger, two kitchen kings that make a magical duo, perfect for coughs, digestion, and daily immunity. A spoon of ginger juice with honey is grandma's go-to for sore throat, still works like a charm. This combo helps with motion sickness too, natural, no drowsiness, no side effects. Add it to lukewarm water in the morning. It detoxes, energizes, and wakes up your gut gently. Ginger boosts circulation and honey repairs cells. Together they heal from inside out. Skip the sugary syrups. This ancient syrup duo is your all-natural healer. But remember, never heat honey too much. It kills the nutrients. Warm, not hot.